Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings. We also do product hauls and product reviews, so if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Guys, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on. There is one linked down below. It is the Elf holiday giveaway, so definitely enter if you have not already. But as you can see today, we have the November 2020 single swag. Now, what I love about this is you don't have to be single to get this subscription. I am married, I get this, I love it. I think it is a great box. And it's just always got a great variety of items. You usually always receive some type of jewelry piece, a snack, sometimes you receive books, some beauty item. It's just always got a great variety of items in it. So it is $39.99, and I do have a link that I'll put down below that will save you $15 off your first box. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what we got in our November 2020 single swag box. So, when you open it, there is always a card on top, and it does go over all of the items in the box along with pricing, and it adds it up for us. Thank you. The total retail value of the November box is $209. So, let's take a sneak peek. And see what we got. So, all right, pull out this right here on top. This is from, or it says Calm On, Relaxing Bath Duo, Bath Salts and Bath Confetti. Ooh. So there is what that looks like. It's from We Live Like This. Treat yourself to a day at the spa in the comfort of your own home with these vegan luxury bath products that will help you relax and refresh. $15. Doesn't tell us the scent. I'm really hoping it's not rose and lavender based on the colors, because those are like my least favorite scents. If you've been with me, you know. All right, and then let's see. We've got something here from Violet Harper. Sounds like it might be a necklace. Oh, this necklace and earrings, y'all. That is gorgeous. Let's see. Isla layered necklace and black druzy earring set, $58. Make a statement with this fun, versatile gold-plated necklace and black square druzy earrings set, perfect for dressing up or down, day or night. Necklace measures 16 with a 4-inch extender. That is beautiful. That is, I'm probably gonna say, my favorite piece or set from single swag to date. That is stunning. All right. And then we have got, oh, y'all, do we have a candle? Do we have a candle? Canyon Moon Jasmine Gardenia. It's leading me to believe this is a candle. Canyon Moon Midnight Rose Scented Candle, $18. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin has a clean and alluring floral and aromatic scent. Fingers crossed that because this says jasmine and gardenia that it's not rose, because I do love jasmine and gardenia. This is jasmine and gardenia, and it smells so good. The gardenia is very subtle, because gardenia can be strong. I have 2 gardenia bushes in the backyard. But it's just subtle, and it's enough of it that you smell it. That smells so good. Obviously, it's not really a fall scent, but it smells delicious. It just smells amazing, and I love the container. Okay, keep going. Seraphine Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. I do like this brand. It is vegan and cruelty free. Let's see. It says exfoliant. I'm wondering if this is more like a lip exfoliator. A revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugar crystals into a rich vegan base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butters to help keep lips exfoliated, silky smooth, and protected. $24. So that is definitely great to have at this time of year. All right, and then, all right, so it does look like we got a book. I can't talk. Good Vibes, Good Life. Be the best version of you that you can be. How can you learn to truly love yourself? How can you transform negative emotions into positive ones? Is it possible to find lasting happiness? In this book, author and Instagram guru Vex King answers all of those questions and more. $18. You got an answer to life's many questions, apparently. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? This is from So Susan. Aquarella Deep Hydrating Serum for the face and body. Vegan and cruelty free. Gluten free, no mineral oil, paraben free, phthalate free. It's got avocado oil, carrot and rosehip extract, non-comedogenic. This is interesting. $48. Says refresh, soothe, and soften your skin with this face and body serum infused with avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, and everlasting flower extract. The non-greasy treatment cream contains reparative elements to assist in the healing of stretch marks, signs of fatigue, and allow skin to retain moisture. Well, all right, so it is a cream. Let's, oh, well, it came on out. Didn't mean to get that much. Oh my gosh, it smells kind of like an orange creamsicle. Oh, it smells so good and fresh. Well, I'm definitely going to be using this. It's going to do all that and smell great. Oh, y'all, that smells so good. Like, it smells really, really good. There's still something else in here. Let's see. Pivotal Cosmetics set of 4 facial brushes. 4-piece facial brush set, $24. Ensure your look is always on point at home or on the go with this 4-piece essentials brush set featuring a blush brush, fan brush, blender brush, and double-sided brush combo. Never heard of this brand. But here are the brushes. I may put these to the side for a future giveaway. I've got plenty, I've got a ton of brushes. I don't think you can have too many, but this is a good little set. So I think one of you guys will enjoy that in a future giveaway. And then we have our treat, because we do always get a little treat. And we got Lily's Dark Chocolate Peanut Butter Cups. Less sugar, sweet life. Now with creamier peanut butter filling. No sugar added. Okay. You satisfy that sweet tooth and you no sugar, I'm all about it. So, it's $4. It says, move over sugar, Lily's will take it from here. Enjoy these creamy, chocolatey, keto-friendly cups, botanically sweetened with stevia, less sugar, sweet life. All right, y'all, this is one of my favorite single swag boxes. The hand, body, face serum cream that smells just dreamy, yes. The candle, yes. The necklace and earrings, absolutely. The bath salts and confetti, yes. The peanut butter and chocolate, yes. We got the makeup brush set, we got the book, we got the lip scrub. I mean, this box was packed, y'all. So, like I said, I will put that link down below for single swag. It will save you $15 off your first box. It's a great deal. You definitely get your money's worth for this box. I think it is an amazing box, and like I said, you don't have to be single. Guys, don't forget about that giveaway. Special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me, and I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate everyone being here and watching. That is helpful as well and so supportive. Thank you. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.